Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really awesome solar radio. And it's not only a solar radio, it's a crank radio too. Oh yeah, and a power bank. This all comes in one device together with the AirGear Pro crank radio with mobile phone charging function. And it's powered by the sun, if you like, with 5000 milliampere hour power bank and USB output, FM, AM, radio, dynamo, IPX5 waterproof with LED flashlights, two of them, one flashlight and one beam, LED flashlight emergency situation radio system here. This is either for outdoor, for traveling, for hiking, and of course, it's good in emergency situations where no power supply is anymore. It comes with a long battery life. The crank radio with the highest class 5000 mAh battery ensures that we can be powered for a long time. And it can also serve as a power bank with which we can charge our smartphone and tablet on the go, for example, on all other devices which are able to connect to USB device and reload by USB device. And it's an emergency companion. This emergency radio is equipped with a three-way charging system by crank, solar, and USB-C quick charge to ensure that we always have power in emergency situations and we can stay connected with our loved ones. An IPX5 certified waterproof. This solar radio with crank is designed for use in difficult situations such as storms and rain, snowfall, and other water spreading affected. We have dual LED lighting. The powerful torch and the reading lamp under the solar panel makes it ideal for emergencies, power outage, readings, camping, and so on. And we have FM, AM automatic scan function. With the auto scan function, we can easily scan all FM and AM stations without having to fiddle around the buttons. This transmitter are stored in the memory of the outdoor radio, so we can easily access them at any time and where we like. High quality speakers, that means rich sounds with clear voices and deep bass, so we can enjoy our favorite stations, radio stations, and more. We can insert a micro USB card, micro SIM card, micro SD card, and if there are tracks on it, we can playback this too. That's possible. And we have an SOS function. We get help from people near us in an emergency situation or danger at the torch offer button. When we press the SOS button, a loud siren sounds and a light flash to attract attention. And three-way of charging. We have a hand crank for charging. Never be without electricity again. This radio with crank ensures that we have power at all times to stay in touch with our loved ones. And solar charging. This solar radio with crank is either for outdoor use and travel. It can be charged on the go thanks to the efficient solar panel on it. And we have USB-C fast charging. The fastest way to charge this emergency radio is, of course, to use a charger for our phone, for example. And if we are reloaded the battery here inside, we can use it as power bank, as we like. Because 5000 mAh power bank. We charge our phones and tablets on the go thanks to the built-in 5000 mAh capacity lithium-ion battery. FM automatic scan. With the automatic scan function, we can easily scan all radio stations which are in range. But there's more. If we are going to use the Bluetooth mode, we can connect our smartphone, for example, with this Solar Radio RB5000 easily by Bluetooth. And after this, we can play back the music from our phone on this crank radio. Really cool. Because it's a Bluetooth speaker. 2. Once device is switched on, the Bluetooth mode is on. To switch from other modes to the Bluetooth mode, we quick press the M button. And we open the Bluetooth function on our phone and find the DF5000 and we can start with it. Yeah, really easy. If we are going to use the radio, we pull out the antenna in FM mode. We quick press the M to switch to FM or AM mode. Then we long press the button for 3 seconds, the play button, to search channels automatically. The device will save at the accessible channels and we do not have to do a manually scan for us. After the device finished automatically searched, it saves the stations. We press the button E switch to the next station. The next time we use the FM name function, we does not need to research it again because it is saved. To go volume down and up, it's really easy. We long press the volume up and volume down button, and then we can make a volume adjustment. The hand crank charging function is designed for charging the device, and it's only recommended during an emergency. We are going to switch out the switch and we use the hand to crank the charging. We pull out easily and of course we have to do this clockwise for 3 up to 5 minutes. The inner battery is now active and ready to function again. That means if we crank 5 minutes we can hear a lot of radio with that. Oh yeah. After 30 minutes of cranking, the battery will contain about 300 milliamp hour of charging, for example. And solar charging. Yeah. We turn on the solar panel of the device directly toward the sun. When charging, the red light of the battery indicator will be on. It is mainly used to extend the battery life during in emergency situations again. So you can see this here, being all on the go with it. What we are really loving it. Because it is a good nature thing to make this mobile by using it by crank, by solar, or by power supply. And then it comes with radio and emergency situation stuff and as Bluetooth speaker and so many more things. With this Air Gear Pro crank radio with mobile phone charging function and solar power. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.